Hello, in front of me I've got Nikon Z30. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable Attenuator, and I'll tell you what it is. The Attenuator reduces the input volume level of the microphone to prevent distortion or clipping when recording very loud sounds. When to use it? When your audio sounds distorted or too loud. When recording in environments with high sound pressure. When using powered or sensitive external mic that picks up too much volume. To enable or disable it, let's go to Menu and Video Recording menu. Go to Attenuator and select between Enable and Disable. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.